Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you my entire homemade squishy collection, and most of these are for sale on my store Envy, which is open now, and it's just kpillows.storeenvy.com and it will be linked down below. Okay, so first up I have this mini bitten donut, and it's just a super cute purple donut. And I really like the face on this one, I think it's super cute. So next up, I also made this little pancake, and it just comes with 3 little stacks of pancakes. And it also has a really cute little wad of butter on top. Then I made this jumbo pom-pom bun, and I cut out the bun as well, and it's just super slow rising, and yeah. Then I also made this jumbo pasheen squishy, and this one's just really big and airy, and it's also super slow rising. I made this jumbo cat, and I just named it Lily the kitty, and it's just this pink little cat, and I think it's really cute. Next up, I made this Gudetama Scrushy, and this one is pretty slow rising, and it's also pretty dense. I also made this really cute watermelon squishy, and this one is really slow rising. I have this Deco Doraemon Bun, and this was originally a Daiso bun squishy, and I just painted over it. Then I made 4 of these little fried egg squishies, and they all have different faces. So here's the first one, and I just called this the surprised face. And then there is this little excited face. Then I have this cute little smile, and these are all pretty slow rising and fairly soft. And then lastly, I have this crooked little smile. I made this little cat donut, and this one is inspired by the Mother Garden squishy. And this one is really soft and slow rising. I have this really tiny heart squishy. And this one is pretty slow rising. Then I have this little mochi squishy, and this one does come with a tag. And it's just this little mochi, and it's pink with a really cute face. Next up, I have this Tinker squishy, and this one is inspired by the Eye Bloom one. And this one is super slow rising. Then I have this marshmallow on a stick, and it does come with a real little stick. And as toppings, it just has chocolate sauce and some sprinkles. I have this egg, and it's basically just an egg cut in half. Next, I made this green bean, and this one's actually pretty big in size. And also all the measurements for these squishies will be listed on my store Envy, just so that you know how big the squishy you'll be getting is. I have this soft serve ice cream cone, and this one just comes with strawberry and vanilla soft serve. Then I made these super tiny candy squishies. So first there is this blue M&M, And I also have this red Skittle. I have this little Mochi Bun, and this one is inspired by the real Squishy. I think it's called like Manju buns or something. And this one has a really nice squish to it. It's kind of a little dense, but it's also really slow rising. I have this little star, and this one is super cute with this little face. Next up is this little avocado, and this is probably one of my favorite homemade squishies. I just think it turned out really cute. I have this egg toast, and basically it's just this homemade egg on a toast squishy. So next I'll be showing a bunch of these little sugar cookies. So this first one is a really Kuma one, and it comes with this little packaging. I also have this Kuma one, and it also has packaging. And these are all pretty squishy, and they're a little bit slow rising. I have this Gudetama one, and this one is probably my favorite. And then here is what the back looks like. Next, I have this Pom Pom Purine design. And then last but not least, I have this Karopi design. I have this Gudetama pepperoni pizza, and this one is super squishy and really slow rising. I have this jumbo gray bunny, and it comes with a tag, and the bunny's name is Timo. And this one is soft, but it's not too slow rising, so I'd recommend it to people who kind of like a pop-up for their squishies. I have this medium Panda Bun, and it just has a little pink bow, and it comes with this super cute packaging that I made for it. Then I have this mini strawberry, and it has this super kawaii face on it. I also have this Gudetama egg, and I really like this one. It's also pretty soft, but it's not too slow rising. And personally, I think it is the perfect amount of squishiness. Next up, I have this medium rainbow donut, and this one comes with packaging and a little tag. And then here is what the back looks like. I made this mini Easter egg squishy, and it's just pastel colored. Next, I have a couple of jumbo bunny squishies. So here's the first one, and it is just brown, and they're all really soft. And then here is the dark gray one. And as you can tell, they're really big in size. I have this jumbo Donald Duck egg, and it comes with this tag. And I think this one is really cute, and it's also pretty squishy. I have these 4 mini marshmallows. So the first one is the chocolate design, and it just has a little tongue sticking out. I have this plain little marshmallow, and these are all pretty squishy. Then there is this one with strawberry sauce, and it has this really cute excited face. lastly, I have this marshmallow, and it's just all pink. And this one's probably the most slow rising. Next, I have this mini question mark box, and this is just from the Mario games. I have this watermelon cake roll. And this one has a lot of air, but it's also really slow rising. Then I made this Totoro squishy. And I think this one turned out super cute. And also, if you guys want to see me painting these, I have a couple videos on my Instagram of me painting this squishy and the watermelon cake roll. Then I made this jumbo rice ball squishy. And this one is really soft and also super slow rising. I also have this little witch hat squishy, and this one's actually really slow rising for how tiny it is. Next, I have this tiny little penguin, and this one is clearly inspired by the Punimaru squishy. I made another one of these eggs, and it's basically half of an egg. And the face on this one is super cute. Then I have this French toast, and it just comes with a little mustache and a beret. And then here is what the back looks like. Then I have this chocolate macaron, and it's a heart macaron, and it comes with this really cute packaging. Next I have this banana squishy. Then I have this mini sad little broken egg squishy. And this one is super slow rising. Next I have this super tiny smushy mushy pizza. And these ones aren't too squishy just because they're so tiny, but they're still really cute. I have this smushy mushy mango. And this one is actually a little dense. And then of course I have the smushy mushy hamster to go with the mango. And this one is really soft and also slow rising. I have this super tiny Bretto donut, and this one is the blueberry flower design. I have this mini chocolate bun pastry thingy, and it just has chocolate sauce, chocolate filling, and powdered sugar on top. And last but not least, I have my very first squishies that I ever made. So the first one that I'm showing here is the better version, and it has chocolate sauce and sparkly glitter. And then here is the original. It's so gross and crusty, but yeah. So that is my entire homemade squishy collection. Like I said earlier, if you want to purchase some of these, just go to my store Envy, which is KawaiiPillows, storeenvy.com, and that'll be linked down below as well. And I will be uploading a video of the other squishies I'll be selling, so make sure to keep an eye out for that. But yeah, that's basically it. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at KawaiiPillows, and yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and bye!